This plant you are seeing on the screen is called Senna occidentalis. It is a wonderful plant. If you have this plant around your environment, around your farm, around your home, or any bush within your environment, you are sitting on a gold mine. This plant has a lot of medicinal and nutritional value for your poultry and livestock animals. Make use of it today. Study this plant, be able to identify it wherever you see it, and make use of it in your poultry and livestock farming. Going organic is the best because it gives you 100% profit without any synthetic additive in your poultry. It has a lot of vitamins and minerals. It acts as antioxidant. It acts as immune booster and also anti-parasite. Watch this video till the end. Relax, let me give you all the medicinal value so that you can know what to do with it. You are welcome to a special topic: how to use Senna occidentalis leaf for poultry to boost poultry growth, weight and immunity naturally. Watch the plant. You are seeing the plant on the screen. It is called Senna occidentalis or coffee senna. That is the another name for it. It is a wonderful plant for poultry and livestock farming. If you are going into organic, this is one of the plants that will help you to go 100% organic. Senna occidentalis, commonly known as coffee senna, is a medicinal plant often overlooked or labeled as mere weed or ordinary grass in an environment. However, it contains powerful probiotic and organic compounds with proven benefits for poultry and livestock animals. When used appropriately and in the right dosage, its leaf, especially the juice, when combined with other plants like lemongrass, scent leaf and guava, form an effective natural tonic to support poultry and boost immunity of your poultry and livestock health. Their overall health will change and they get the maximum result. In this particular video, I'm going to guide you with the medicinal value of Senna occidentalis combo, how to prepare the juice, the correct dose and application to your poultry and livestock animals, diseases and different poultry infections. This can help you to cure or prevent, and also the practical way of preparing it for your poultry and livestock animals. Relax, watch the video to the end. Let's see what you can get from this. 1. What are the medicinal value of Senna occidentalis or coffee senna in poultry? Antibacterial. Number 1, antifungal. 2, anti-parasite. 3, immune stimulator and immune booster. 4, health modulator. 5, digestive aid, antioxidant, and supports overall gut flora. It is antipyretic, digestive stimulant and respiratory cleanser, anticoccidial, immune booster and improves feed intake and natural antibiotics. It controls diarrhea and bacterial infections. It is very rich in tannins for gut health. It detoxifies the liver and improves appetite, purifies the blood of the poultry and livestock animals. Most especially when you combine it with all these plants I mentioned earlier, you are going to get amazing results, wonderful results that will amaze you. Combine with all these plants to boost growth rate and feed efficiency, to stimulate immune system, to enhance egg quality and laying frequency, to reduce mortality to the barest minimum, to control diarrhea and infections and other parasites that attack your poultry and livestock animals. Detoxifies blood and organs of your poultry, supports respiratory health in broilers and layers also. How to prepare the organic juice? Gather a handful of this particular plant you're seeing on the screen right away. 2 handfuls of it, of the leaves. Wash it thoroughly. Add little salt while washing it, please, because most of them are infected by bacteria, so that you want to cure and accept and carry. So it's better add little salt, pinch of salt, and wash it thoroughly. After washing it, allow it to dry, then blend it. If you have blender in your house, if you don't have blender, you have mortar and pestle. Use mortar and pestle and pound it thoroughly. After pounding it, add 1.5 to 2 liters of water to the blend and mix thoroughly. After that, squeeze out all the juice entire completely and sieve it with filter. Save it correctly. Collect the juice in a clean container, refrigerate or use immediately. The shelf life should be within 3 to 4 days. You are done with anyone you prepare. Now, how do you apply this to your poultry and livestock animals? Let me give you all the stages so that you know. And if you have any question, anything I did not cover, please feel free and ask on the comment section. Remember that our Eco Bio Boost is this one is going right away to Ecom Cross River State now. Once I'm through with this video, this is moving to Ecom right away to Cross River State. This is 5 liters, goes for 55,000 promo price. We are going back to the normal price of this. The price of this is 65,000, but we are going back to it after this week. Order your own now. Order for your own now. 55,000 naira promo price. This is by 2. The batch 1, we prepared 100 containers of this and it's gone. And they have used it and they are still calling, requesting for more. Those that use it are still requesting for more. Silently, you don't know. You are there, cracking your brain. What is wrong with my chicken? What is wrong with chicken? Without knowing that serious poultry farmers are using these eco babies to boost their poultry, get maximum result and maximum weight. Then you are there crying. Witches and wizards are attacking your poultry best. They are not getting maximum weight. Doc, what is wrong with my chicken? They are not growing. This is the result. This is what you are going to make use of to get the maximum result right away. Eco Bio Boost, liquid organic tea for your poultry and livestock animals for maximum growth, immune booster, immune support, good health, quality health, no synthetic, no drug. From day 1 till 8 weeks, 10 weeks, 12 weeks, 1 year. Parent stock, you use it. Laying birds, you use it. Turkey, you use it. Goat, you use it. Sheep, cattle, rabbit, guinea fowl, guinea pig, and all the guinea, they're all there. Use them. Get your maximum results. Today, it is prepared by me for the farmers, for the love I have for you. That's why I made research, over 7 years research to produce this. And it is good. And it's working. It's working for me. See my chicken. My chicken are overweight. Overweight is disturbing my chicken. They are all growing. No more certificate. I don't buy any stick drop on the market again. I'm free from them. In fact, those that says drugs for me before, if they see me on road now, they don't greet me again. I don't know. Some of them will front face. They think I'm buying from somewhere else. They think I'm buying the medication from another place. So they don't, our people, once you stop patronizing them, they'll start frowning face. If they see you, they'll see you as if they didn't see any human being. That's what is happening right away now. If they see me, most of the times, if they are driving, they see me, the flashlight. Now, once they see me, they wind up. They don't want to greet me again because they think I am buying my medication from somewhere. They don't know that I have the secret now. That I'm now the producer of organic substance for all the poultry birds. Now, come and buy your own and be free from them also. So that your vet will see you and frown face. It is better your vet see you and frown face than for them to come and hug you. When they're hugging you, know that your chicken are always sick. When your doctor is always happy with you, know that you are patronizing the doctor. That means you are a sickler. You're always sick. That's one thing. So be free from them. Deliver yourself today now with this organic substance. Eco Bio Booster, liquid tea, liquid yogurt for your poultry and livestock animals. Give it to them on daily basis. Only 10 ml for starter, 2 of this for growers, and 3 of it for finishers and laying birds. You get amazing result. That's all. Draw it and give it to them. Every water they drink, you give it to them. Every water they drink it. They are always healthy, smart, and growing fast. That's all. Now, for this siam, for this particular weed we are talking about, Senna occidentalis and coffee Senna, for starter, 0 to 3 weeks age, 5 ml is good for them, 2 to 3 times weekly. For broilers and growers, 10 ml is good for them, 3 times weekly is good. Layers, 10 to 15 ml is good for them, 3 to 4 times weekly is good. If your birds are sick, 3 to 5 ml is good for them on daily basis. Duck and the turkeys, 15 ml is good for them 2 times to 3 times daily. Goat, sheep, cattle, and others, 50 ml is good for goat and sheep and other small animals once every 3 days. For cattle, 100 ml orally once every 3 to 5 days. Give it to them and see the result you're going to get as a poultry farmer. What are the diseases and health conditions Senna occidentalis can cure or prevent? One is fowl typhoid, bacterial infections, E. coli, Pasteurella, and Salmonella, worm infestations, green, white, yellow droppings in poultry, coccidiosis, both meat case and to prevent it also, chronic respiratory diseases, appetite loss and stress, diarrhea and dysentery, Newcastle disease. It acts as supportive. Remember that Newcastle disease is a viral infection, hardly cure. You support them and they will get away with it. Poor egg laying and small egg drops, blood related deficiencies, liver congestion and toxin build-up, post vaccination stress and environmental shock and transport stress also. Senna occidentalis leaf can be combined with other natural herbs like lemongrass, scent leaf, bitter leaf, neem, and the others. It offers poultry farmers a powerful organic solution to prevent and manage common poultry diseases. While enhancing growth and immunity, it is safe, effective, and affordable, especially when prepared freshly and administered in a correct dose. Remember, it is a weed that you don't buy it from the market. It's within your environment, so you pay money to weed them off. So by replacing synthetic antibiotics with this natural blend, you reduce the risk of antibiotic resistance, lower mortality rate, and at the same time raise healthier, more productive birds. Make this natural remedy a part of your poultry management routine plan, and you will enjoy always long-term results in both productivity and profitability. You always smile to the bank, and your customers will always be happy with you that you really produced a better product for them. Thank you for watching. Share this to other poultry farmers to get the best from this particular channel. Till the next video is uploaded, for now, till then, I'll say bye.